Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this simple looking math expression that many people fail to solve because they do like 4 plus 1 5 and 5 times 5 as 25 and now 25 divided by 25 as 1, which is a wrong answer. When you have given multiple operations like division, then bracket, and when bracket there is an addition sign, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS rule. So as per this rule, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we have to solve the parenthesis. So till then, rewrite the left out terms. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now there is a multiplication sign between. Now we have two operations, that is division and multiplication. Both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 25 by 5 times 5, which is 5 times 5, that is 25. So what is the correct answer? 25, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.